So you milked that wiper blade as long as you could, and it's finally time to change it out. So you go to the store, they don't have the size you need, or you end up with the wrong size by accident, or you end up with one that comes with all these nationalities of adapters that none fit your style wiper arm. Well, I'll show you how to get around all that quickly and easily. So first you're going to just remove your old wiper blade, and then if it's this blade style, the rubber wiper blade is actually sliding in a groove, so you're going to carefully remove one end of this cap off the end like that, and then the blade should just slide or pull out. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Just like that. Do the same thing on our new blade. And carefully pull your blade out of this new one. This one's a little bit too long, so we're gonna match it up. Mark where we need to cut. There you go. Don't cut yourself. Move all this out of the way. Find your original wiper. You're just going to take this and carefully separate those two metal guides right there. You're just going to slide that in there. All right, once you got it worked all the way in, far enough, you can take your old end cap and make sure it snaps back on there. Make sure it's in there good. There you go. Got your new wiper blade in your old wiper housing. Snap it back in place. Good to go. Moving down the road. Catch y'all on the next one.